Yo, what is up, guys? Serg exclusive here. In this video, I'm gonna tell you guys why collecting emails is the most important thing for your online business, and how you guys can actually start collecting emails. So before we get started with this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you guys could be notified when I upload my next video. And yeah, and I'm still doing that 10K challenge where I'm posting every single day until I reach 10K subscribers. So if you guys want to help me out, hit that subscribe button. The reason why I feel like it's the most important thing to do if you guys are an entrepreneur or trying to start your online business is by collecting emails. Alright, Walmart does it, Target does it, Nike does it. You know, every business collects emails. Alright, and I feel like the best way a lot of companies actually think of the way I'm thinking about it, just in case their website crashes, or let's say if you have a YouTube channel, your YouTube crashes, but you can't get the same subscribers you guys had. Alright, you guys gotta have to start all the way from the bottom. Or let's say your website crashes, you guys gotta have to start all the way to the bottom to create traffic again. Your TikTok account, your Instagram account, your Twitter account, whatever account you guys have or whatever business you guys are trying to do, if it crashes and you guys don't have a backup plan like to get traffic again, you know, it's gonna keep going. You're gonna have to start every single time from the bottom. So to save time and to save effort, I suggest to collect emails. Like I said, the reason why is so you don't have to worry about, just in case your site crashes and you have to start all the way from the bottom and you can't get that site back. You know, yada yada yada, and yeah, that's one of the reasons why a lot of people do that. And also, you know, you guys could make more sales if you guys have sales in the back end of collecting emails. All right, let's say you're trying to promote a product for anything, right? But it's like a lower cost product, okay? But some of them buy it and some of them don't. You're not gonna get those people who didn't buy back to your website or to the product that you guys are trying to promote. You guys cannot get them back. You know, the people who purchased, they already purchased. You gotta sell, but you can't even bring those people back to purchase something else. You know, for something bigger, something better, you know, to get a bigger commission, so you guys could see all this commissions coming in, or all these earnings, or all this money coming in, to get you guys a better, to get them a better software that you guys are trying to promote, for example, another product, for example. But yeah, that's how you guys cannot get them back. If you guys do not collect that email, you don't know if they bought it or not. You don't know if they are willing to purchase it in the back end. So that's why it's so important to actually start collecting emails and start doing all that good stuff, so you guys can make sure that your business is gonna be thriving in the back end. Let's say you guys do not get a sale for a whole month because you guys didn't collect an email. Alright, you guys are gonna keep wasting money on ads, or keep wasting time and effort on free traffic, when you already have an email list to send out an email easily. You guys could easily send out an email and then start getting commission that exact same day. All right, let's say because your email list is already there for you, so that's why a lot of online businesses call them an ATM, because when you send one email, you guys will start seeing commissions every single time you guys just send that email. All right, so that's what I mean by you guys actually doing the same thing and doing that, and making sure that you guys actually help them out, and people will recognize you more and have more trust with you if they already know who you are and your presence. Alright, so if you guys have not started off collecting emails, the best way to actually collect an email is just to give something away for free. you guys could give away a free ebook, a free guide, a free cookbook. Let's see, you're doing health niche, you know, a free workout guide or whatever type of stuff that you guys do. Just give something away for free, whatever is in your niche, so you guys could start collecting emails. If you guys like my content, go into my email, sign up to my email list so you guys could get notified when I upload my next video, or upload my next article, or upload my next podcast, or whatever. But you guys need to start collecting email. You guys need to start collecting, giving something away for free. So you're, you know, that's the best way to actually start growing your business. You could even sell something that's for like $7. Sell something in the back end, like an ebook or something. Okay, get and collect emails that way, so you guys can know which ones are the buyers. But if you guys are starting off, I suggest to give something away for free. All right, that's one of the best ways that you guys can actually start collecting emails. It's just by giving something away for free. Yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. But I do go more in depth in my free affiliate marketing business on email marketing and stuff like that, on how you guys could get started. But you know, it does give you a gist about how you guys could do it. But yeah, I still have that free affiliate marketing course. So just the link is down below. That's all you gotta do is just sign up. And yeah, that's you know, you guys will get everything in there, and how you guys could get started with email marketing, and how you guys can actually get started with that. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, for this video. If you guys like this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you guys could be notified when I upload my next video. And yeah, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.